The 2011 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, passenger airbag, bucket seats, CD player, power windows, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.